Verb to come in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I come. 2. Simple past, I came. 3. Simple future, I will come. 4. Present continuous, I am coming. 5. Past continuous, I was coming. 6. Future continuous, I will be coming. 7. Present perfect, I have come. 8. Past perfect, I had come. 9. Future perfect, I will have come. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been coming. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been coming. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been coming. He, she, it. 1. Simple present, he, she, it comes. 2. Simple past, he, she, it came. 3. Simple future, he, she, it will come. 4. Present continuous, he, she, it is coming. 5. Past continuous, he, she, it was coming. 6. Future continuous, he, she, it will be coming. 7. Present perfect, he, she, it has come. 8. Past perfect, he, she, it had come. 9. Future perfect, he, she, it will have come. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she, it has been coming. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she, it had been coming. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she, it will have been coming. You, we, they. 1. Simple present, you, we, they come. 2. Simple past, you, we, they came. 3. Simple future, you, we, they will come. 4. Present continuous, you, we, they are coming. 5. Past continuous, you, we, they were coming. 6. Future continuous, you, we, they will be coming. 7. Present perfect, you, we, they have come. 8. Past perfect, you, we, they had come. 9. Future perfect, you, we, they will have come. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we, they have been coming. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we, they had been coming. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we, they will have been coming.